Did you know the humble milkweed was once a critical resource during World War II? Its silky floss replaced kapok in life vests, saving countless lives. More than a wildflower, milkweed is a plant with a rich history and surprising potential. It stands tall in meadows, quietly supporting both wildlife and people. Most famously, it's the sole food source for monarch caterpillars, a beautiful example of co-evolution. But milkweed's story goes beyond butterflies. For centuries, cultures have used it for food, fiber, and traditional medicine. Young shoots, flower buds, and immature pods are edible when prepared correctly, offering unique nutrition. Exploring milkweed connects us to ancestral foraging traditions and reminds us of nature's generosity. This plant is a living pharmacy and pantry woven into our landscape. Today, we're rediscovering its value for wellness and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore milkweed's nutritional benefits, traditional uses, and the importance of safe, responsible harvesting. Wild plants require knowledge and caution. This is an educational journey, not medical advice. Let's unlock the secrets of milkweed together and appreciate its role in our natural world. Whether you're a forager, gardener, or simply curious, milkweed has something to teach us all. Join me as we step into the meadow and see this unsung hero in a new light. Let's begin. Milkweed's story is deeply rooted in North American history. Indigenous peoples harvested its shoots, buds, and pods for food, passing down this knowledge for generations. They also crafted strong cordage from its fibrous stems and used the silky floss for insulation and fire starting. Every part of the plant was valued, a lesson in sustainability. In traditional medicine, milkweed's sap and roots were used carefully by skilled healers for skin and respiratory issues. As settlers arrived, they adopted some of these uses, especially during hard times like the Great Depression. During World War II, milkweed floss became a national resource, collected by school children for life vests. This collective effort highlights a time when people and plants were closely connected. Today, we're working to rebuild that relationship, learning from the resourcefulness of the past. Milkweed's legacy is one of survival, ingenuity, and respect for nature. Its story reminds us that wild plants have always been vital to human life. By understanding its history, we can better appreciate its place in our world. Let's carry these lessons forward as we explore milkweed's modern potential. The past still has much to teach us. When we think of nutritious greens, milkweed rarely comes to mind, but it should. Properly prepared, its young shoots are rich in vitamin C, supporting immunity and skin health. The flower buds and pods provide dietary fiber for digestion and fullness, plus a range of minerals often missing from commercial crops. Milkweed even offers a surprising amount of plant-based protein, making it valuable for diverse diets. Its antioxidants, like beta-carotene, help protect cells and support vision and immune function. Foraging wild foods like milkweed diversifies our nutrition and connects us to the land. These wild edibles offer nutrients in forms you won't find in store-bought vegetables. By adding milkweed to your meals, you're tapping into a unique, healthful tradition. It's a simple way to support your body and rediscover the flavors of the wild. Nature's pantry is richer than we think. A healthy lifestyle is about more than what's on your plate. It's about how you connect with your food and the world around you. Foraging for milkweed gets you outdoors, moving, and paying attention to nature. This gentle exercise, combined with fresh air and sunlight, boosts both physical and mental health. Identifying and gathering wild plants fosters mindfulness and a deeper appreciation for the ecosystem. Preparing and eating food you've foraged creates a sense of self-sufficiency and gratitude. It reconnects us to our food sources and can be a meaningful way to bond with family and friends. Sharing a meal made with wild ingredients builds community and lasting memories. Cooking with milkweed encourages creativity and breaks the monotony of everyday meals. Its unique flavor, somewhere between green beans and asparagus, adds excitement to your kitchen. Embracing wild foods like milkweed nourishes body, mind, and spirit. It's a holistic approach to health that goes beyond nutrition. Foraging is a joyful, enriching practice anyone can try. Let milkweed inspire you to explore, create, and connect. The journey is as rewarding as the meal. Milkweed's nutrients offer real health benefits. Its vitamin C supports immunity, while fiber aids digestion and heart health by helping lower cholesterol. Antioxidants like carotenoids protect cells from damage and may slow aging. Wild vegetables like milkweed add diversity and resilience to your diet. Traditionally, milkweed root was used as a diuretic and expectorant, but these uses require caution due to toxicity. Modern science hasn't validated these remedies, so stick to the edible parts and safe preparation. No single food is a cure-all, but wild edibles can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Including milkweed in your diet, when prepared properly, is a way to support overall wellness. Always respect the plant's power and your own limits. Let tradition and science guide your choices. The bond between milkweed and monarch butterflies is a marvel of nature. Monarch caterpillars rely exclusively on milkweed leaves to survive. The plant's toxins, harmless to monarchs, make them unpalatable to predators, a brilliant natural defense. Monarchs even use milkweed's chemistry to help their young fight parasites. This relationship highlights the importance of preserving milkweed habitats. By planting milkweed and protecting wild patches, we support monarchs and boost local biodiversity. Healthy ecosystems provide clean air, water, and a sense of well-being for all. Supporting milkweed is an act of stewardship that benefits the entire web of life. Our health is tied to the health of our environment. By caring for milkweed, we nurture both nature and ourselves. Every patch of milkweed is a lifeline for wildlife and a reminder of our role in the ecosystem. Stewardship starts with small actions. Milkweed's benefits come with important safety rules. The plant contains cardiac glycosides, compounds that can be toxic if not handled properly. Never eat milkweed raw. Always boil it, discarding the water, and repeat the process 2 or 3 times. Positive identification is crucial. Confuse it with toxic lookalikes like dogbane, and the results can be dangerous. Use field guides, consult experts, and if in doubt, don't eat it. Harvest only from clean, unsprayed areas, away from roads and pollution. Take only what you need, leaving plenty for wildlife and future growth. A good rule: never harvest more than 1/3 from any patch. Responsible foraging ensures milkweed's survival and supports monarchs and pollinators. Safe preparation transforms a toxic plant into a nutritious food. Foraging is about respect for the plant, the ecosystem, and your own health. Learn, prepare, and enjoy with care. Stewardship and safety go hand in hand. Let knowledge guide your wild harvest. Even with proper preparation, milkweed isn't for everyone. Trace toxins may remain, so people with heart conditions or on heart medications should avoid it. Some may experience digestive upset or allergic reactions. Start with a small amount and watch for symptoms. The milky sap can irritate skin. Wear gloves when harvesting. If you have plant allergies, be extra cautious. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not consume milkweed due to unknown risks. Most information on milkweed edibility comes from tradition, not clinical trials. Always prioritize safety and listen to your body. When in doubt, consult a healthcare professional before trying wild foods. Respect the plant's power and your own limits. Wild foods can be rewarding, but only when approached with care. Caution is the best companion on your foraging journey. Milkweed is more than a weed. It's a historical food, a material resource, and a keystone in our ecosystem. Learning about it opens our eyes to the hidden value in wild plants. Foraging and preparing milkweed connects us to nature, tradition, and our own well-being. But safety is essential. Proper identification, responsible harvesting, and thorough cooking are non-negotiable. This video is for education, not medical advice. Always consult professionals before making dietary changes. The world of wild edibles is vast and fascinating, but it demands respect and caution. Stay curious, keep learning, and deepen your connection to the natural world. By embracing nature's pharmacy wisely, we support our health and the planet. Subscribe for more on holistic health and the wonders of wild plants. Let's keep exploring, learning, and growing together.